In today's video, I'm going to show you how to wrap text in Pixlr quickly and easily, so you can create curved, circular, or arched text effects for thumbnails, social posts, logos, and graphic designs. If you've ever wanted to make your text follow a shape instead of sitting in a straight line, this is exactly how to do it inside the Pixlr E web editor. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple design guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in the Pixlr E web editor. If you're not already inside your design, load the file you want to edit so you can apply the text effect directly to your canvas. Once your project is open, look at the left-hand toolbar and select the Text tool. You'll see the letter T icon there, and that's the tool you need for adding and editing text inside Pixlr. After selecting the Text tool, click anywhere on your canvas where you want your text to appear. Then type your message. This can be a title, a label, a name, or any phrase you want to stylize. Once your text is on the canvas, highlight the text so Pixlr knows exactly what you want to edit. Highlighting it is important because the curve effect will apply to the selected text. Next, go up to the top menu bar and click the Styles button. This is where Pixlr gives you different text styling options, including special effects that can completely change the look of your design. Inside the Styles menu, look for the option called Curve and check the box next to it. As soon as you enable Curve, Pixlr will start bending your text instead of keeping it straight. Now you can choose the wrap style that fits your design best. Select arc, circle, or half depending on the shape you want. If you want a soft curved headline, arc is a great choice. If you want your text to go around in a full rounded shape, circle is the one to use. And if you want a clean semicircular wrap, half works really well. After choosing the curve style, you can adjust and fine-tune the placement so it looks balanced on the canvas. This is especially useful if you're designing a logo, badge, poster, or thumbnail where the text needs to follow the shape of another element. Take a moment to check the spacing and the visual flow, because curved text looks best when it feels centered and intentional. And that's it. You've now wrapped text in Pixlr using the curve option in the Styles menu. It's a simple technique, but it can make a huge difference in the final look of your design. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy design tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.